If you're deciding between buying the GoPro Hero 12 or waiting for the Hero 13, we're here to help with some key points to consider. Stay with us until the end of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The GoPro Hero 12 is currently available for around $350. It offers great features like 5.3K video recording, HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, and good battery life. If you're on a budget and need a reliable action camera, the Hero 12 is an excellent choice. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 13, expected to be priced around $475. This model is likely to include 5K video recording at 30 frames per second, improved stabilization with HyperSmooth 7.0, longer battery life, and up to 32 megapixel photo resolution. Additionally, it might feature the new GP3 processor, which could enhance overall performance. So, if having the latest technology and improved features is important to you, and you have a higher budget, the Hero 13 will be the better option. It promises to offer an enhanced experience with its new features. However, if you prefer to save money while still getting a high-quality and efficient action camera, the Hero 12 remains a solid choice. Ultimately, your decision should depend on your needs and budget. Both GoPro models are high quality and capable of meeting your action photography and videography needs. Thanks for staying with us until the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.